Okay, this one's good, this one's good, this one's the seized. We want to replace that. First of all, you need another pulley, right? Got that brand new pulley, spins nice. That's what we want on there. All you need, 7/16 socket. Watch this. With that belt, the belt's already loose on there because nobody's up there pulling the handle on it, right? Belt's loose. There's the old one right there. Yep, garbage. Grab the new one, and literally, you got to reuse that bolt too. Put that on there. And that's done. We're done. Are you kidding me?